Hello, YouTube. Some of you on Facebook might see me as well. The other day I made a video on how to update some of your old ebooks so you could get them out in the market. But before you launch them out in the market, whatever market you choose, you might want to make sure they're updated, make sure everything's working. So just a quick recap, and I do have that video. It's going to be in my cards. Just check it out. Somewhere around this video, my card will pop up. So for an example, right? Look at this. Is this eye-catchy? No, it is not. This is one of my first ebooks I made, and everything's solid. The content's all great, but that's not going to be eye-catchy. So it's what I did before I made this video. I wanted to make this look a lot nicer, so I went to my Scribble and I made this. Stay fit and healthy. My book, have it all ready. Burn it off fat. It has a table of contents in there, and you got to make sure your links work. So I just put these links in there, and it's going to take right to the product that I'm promoting in there. If people want to click it and buy, they can. They don't have to. But the point of getting your book out there is also, you took time to gather content, write a book or whatever, and maybe you could get something back. If not, hopefully the content alone helps the person that decided to get your book. So, and I also, the very bottom of these books, I put my Facebook right there. It's a link. They click it, goes right to my Facebook. They can see who I am, and they go to my YouTube channel. So let me show you what for this example, I'm waiting for other accounts of mine to get verified. So I'm gonna use Amazon Kindle. Let me show you why here. Get rid of that. So I want to actually give you the full view here. Amazon Kindle, to some of you out there don't know, some of you most likely do know, but Amazon started off as a book. I mean, people went there to buy books. I remember this when it first started. I mean, I wasn't into reading too much at that time, but they started off selling books. And let me show you something here. Let me show you what Similar Web wants to show you about Amazon.com. They get monthly visits. 2.20 billion people go to Amazon, and most likely to buy. But if they're not going to buy, they're price checking, whatever. They're seeing on what they could maybe get for a cheaper price or whatever. But look, 80% of that is United States, and goes Canada, China, India, United Kingdom. And then the marketing mix. This is March 20 worldwide. So that's what I like about Similar Web. Similar Web gives out some good information. So this is what I did. I went to Amazon Kindle Publishing, and I put the book in there. I titled it "Stay Fit, Stay Healthy, Burn Off Fat." It's not a series, so I'm not going to go with the series. This book is just a small book, and the this is optional edition number. And then the author, I put me, of course, and then it's me, the contributor. Then right here, I put a description of what the book is. I own the copyrights of this book. If you don't own the copyrights, like, make sure, let's say you're doing like a PLR, make sure you read the rights that come with the book. And you most likely want to follow those rules because you don't want to get put in hot water. So I gather my keywords. Now, to gather keywords, and you don't have like some kind of software or whatever, there's a few places to go. I think one of the best places is here on YouTube. I mean, I grabbed some of my keywords real quick. Burn fat at home, and you could also just go in here and type in weight loss, and it's going to bring up a bunch of keywords of what people think. So that's an easy way to grab some keywords. You come over here, then you're going to set up your categories. So I haven't went there yet, and I'm going to do let's see what we want to do here. Some education. Is it educational? Let's see. there's just so much to go through in here. It's like it takes a while, so you really got to kind of narrow it down. It only gives you like a couple. Yeah, it gives you two picks. Like other websites will give you like four. So you got to kind of go in here and play around to see where you want your book to be at. And I'm looking for health. And I'm not sure. Maybe I need some glasses. No, I do not need glasses. It's not in there. So let's see. We're going to go to... this might take a second because I can't find where it goes into health. So I'm probably going to be jumping around here for a second. So bear with me. I do apologize for any inconvenience. But this is the time right now. I mean, this is under the quarantine time, so we all have time, I guess, right now. Kind of. And we're getting closer right here. Body and spirit. Let's see. Health and fitness. Wow, I found it. So we want to do children's health, beauty. Let's see what general is. Diet and nutrition. We want to do healthy living. Maybe some exercise. See, that's the thing. You can only pick two. So that's what kind of I don't like. I like to pick a few more. Like, I would like to pick the pregnancy in children since it has an article in there about that. And see right here. See, it'll bring that up right there. So what I have to do, I have to go through here and uncheck one of them. And I'm trying to find out. Right there. Those are the two I'm going to pick for this. Sorry that took too long. Okay. Children's book range optional. Okay. I think I'm going to want the age to be 18 and up. Just because there's some, it's mostly for adults. Kids don't have to worry about losing weight. I'm ready to release my ebook. So the thing about Amazon Kindle now, it did this with me once. It went through the internet and surfed it out to see if I have my book anywhere else that I was either giving it away or I was selling it. And it actually sent me something back, and it did find my book because I was giving it away in Facebook. And it found it and it told me I needed to take it out of Facebook. So it's crazy how they do it. So I'm just using Amazon Kindle for now. And it's going to take me over here. Let's see. Digital rights management. Okay. Leaving that as a no. Now this is where I'm going to upload my ebook. So I'm going to go to my desktop right here. There's my book. Now sometimes it wants it in different formats. Yeah, it says right here, PDF files do not produce great results. Is an automated version process. We recommend using Word, Mobi, EPUB, or HTML file if you have one. But I'm going to continue with PDF. It will upload it, but there are some places out there that they want EPUB, and I'm still learning that because I've never really even heard about that till yesterday. So save successfully. So it did get my book in there. And I could create my own e-cover or my cover. Let me see what the creator will kind of recommend or show. You do not have to do this, but it's the options there. So let's see. Okay, let's get out of that. Let's see what they have. Yeah, see, you don't have to use this. I'm not going to use it on this example. I'm going to stay with the book I got. And going to skip that. So you could upload your cover, and it gives you right here on what formats they want it in. So Kindle book, let's see what it's going to look like when it launches. This is just a preview. Table of contents. And I want to make sure those links are going to be in there. So that's my Facebook stuff. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's showing right there. Let's see what it looks like on an iPad. Okay, let's go back. So I checked it out already. Looks okay. I'm pretty sure it's gonna upload those. So where my links are in there, because it's in the PDF, so it should be in the book. As a preview, then Kindle. Okay, optional. I don't have an ISBN. I'm still gonna think I should get one. Okay, maximize my royalties with KDP. Okay, with KDP Select, you can reach more readers, earn more money, and maximize your sales potential. About KDP. Okay, so I should try this out. I never did that before. Territories worldwide. Royalties. Now, I just learned some stuff on royalties. So depending on how much I'm going to be selling this book for, I could ask for 35% royalties. And it kind of, you could view the service right here. It is quite a lot to read. I read it the other day. But it kind of tells you, it tells you your earnings you could get. Excuse me on that. So me, I go for 70% royalties, and you could pick down here where you want your book to be at. Amazon.com, Amazon.co.uk, and the list goes on. I mean, there's so many. So I'm going to stick right here, and let's say on this book right here, I could charge anywhere from $2.99 to $9.99. I'm going to put $5 just for this example. So out of every sale, I could get 348. Let's say I do max it. I actually sold books before on a max on this other book that I have. $9.99. So that gets you almost $7 a pop. So that's not bad. But for this book, like I said, I'm just gonna go with five. Let's go with $5.50, huh? I'm okay with that. This is just for an example, and actually, I'm actually going to publish it right here, so I'm not going to go back and change that. It's a small book, has a lot of value. The point is, I get it out there and I get to help people with the little thing. And $5, $5.50 is, I mean, it's not really much, but hey, think about it. If I get 383, and let's say, for just say 100 people get, that's a lot of, that's passive income that I don't have to work for. So you got to look at it in different ways. Booking lending, I could make this option. I could make it so where the customer can lend your ebooks after purchasing to their friends and family. I'm going to do that too. I'm going to allow this. So I'm cool with that. And go right here and you hit publish. Now I do have still, I think, 5 other ebooks to do this with. So yeah, I'm on the go. Congratulations, they burn off fat. It's already ready to go. It could take 72 hours. Is what they do during this time period. They check it to see if it's being sold anywhere else, or yeah, like it did with my Facebook thing. I did not have anything in Facebook, and I mean, I did have the book in Facebook. It caught it and it told me it cannot move forward until I go to wherever I have, including Facebook, take it off and re-go through and resubmit it. So I could also get paperback. I'm just going to close this. And yeah. So as you can see here on the bottom over here, I have what? That was that book right there. And I have a few other books right here. I got the one of the dog I made. The keeping your dog your best friend. Those of you that have dogs and know that a dog could be stubborn, and just this is how to keep your dog. He really has a big smile. How to keep your dog your best friend. I got this pretty cool real estate book right here. It has my links in there as well. It gives this book right here. I'm going to sell it for a little bit more because I actually went through some trouble with this book, but it has my link right there. I pop up the link and here pops up my right here, and then goes down here. They could read all that and decide they want to opt in. So that's that book, and I got this book right here, Wealth Creations, Binge Watcher with Way right here, and this right here, Chelsea, a friend of mine on Facebook posted this Charlie Square, and it's a pretty cool picture. But I got this right here, has some strong content and starting your own business. And I got a few more other books. So right here, I got this one on parenting, and it has some strong stuff in there as well. People are just barely starting to be a parent, learning to be a parent. So I have a few more to be posting up, and yeah. But if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'm gonna be posting up a lot more stuff. And have a good day, have a good night, be safe out there. Bye.